Here's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The Silverado 1500 is built to last because you don't build a legacy on chance. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Bluetooth streaming audio, power tilt-down heated mirrors, front heated leather split bench seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, dual zone climate control, engine auto stop start feature, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. Chevy, 100 years of icons. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Lakeside Chevrolet is your new and used Dallas Chevrolet leader at 2005 South Goliad Street in Rockwall, Texas, just minutes from Garland and Dallas.